Speed Bead actually started as a pet project for me. Stoner originally did not have a quick detailer. Me being a car guy, I was constantly looking for a quick detailer, and I was tired of using competitors' products for my own car. Actually, part of our research and development is experimentation, and we're encouraged to use at least 10 to 20% of our week on projects that we're curious about. So outside of your normal weekly workload, it's what things are you interested in following up on, looking into deeper, or trying something new out. And so the quick detailer is something I did in that time. Speed Bead that's on the market now is probably version 20 or 30. I was trying to find that sweet spot between durable enough but still easy to use, and the first dozen or so tries, it's easy to make things bead. It's easy to make a good coating. You know, waxes can do that. The challenge is getting it durable enough to see that difference, but you still want to be able to spray it and wipe away. What I wanted is a product you can use quickly after you go on a quick drive, between car washes, between real waxes, but something that was a little bit more durable than was on the market. And that's kind of how Speed Bead became what it is today. It's a little bit more durable than everything, but still very easy to use, and mixes the best of both synthetic and natural shining agents, so what we use. From what I've seen with Speed Bead, you can get 1 to 2 weeks out of it, depending on the weather. Sometimes people see beads for up to a month, which is a lot more durable than a lot of other products.